Dell AI Factory. Dell AI Factory is a comprehensive suite of AI solutions and services offered by Dell Technologies. It's designed to help businesses accelerate their AI adoption and deployment. Dell partnered with NVIDIA to create the Dell AI Factory, a comprehensive and secure AI solution designed for businesses. This partnership combines the strengths of both companies, leveraging Dell's infrastructure and NVIDIA's cutting-edge AI technologies. Key features of the Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA. Full-stack AI solutions. The platform offers a complete stack of AI solutions from data center to edge, enabling organizations to quickly adopt and deploy AI at scale. NVIDIA hardware and software integration. Dell's infrastructure is optimized for NVIDIA's latest hardware, including the Blackwell chips and Grace Blackwell family of GPUs, which provide accelerated compute and data processing capabilities. Data management and storage. The platform integrates with Dell's data lakehouse strategies, enabling efficient data management and visualization and features. AI-ready Dell PowerScale storage for high-performance capabilities. Managed services. Dell offers managed services for the NVIDIA AI solutions stack, including 24/7 monitoring, reporting, version upgrades, and patching, designed to support teams with limited resources and expertise. Key features. 1. AI infrastructure. Dell provides robust infrastructure solutions, including servers, storage, and networking, optimized for AI workloads. 2. AI software. Dell offers a range of AI software solutions, including data analytics, machine learning, and deep learning tools. 3. AI services. Dell provides consulting, deployment, and support services to help businesses implement and manage AI solutions. 4. Integration. Dell AI Factory integrates with various AI frameworks and tools such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and more. Benefits. 1. Accelerated AI adoption. Dell AI Factory helps businesses quickly deploy AI solutions. 2. Improved efficiency. Optimized infrastructure and software solutions enhance AI workload performance. 3. Enhanced innovation. Dell AI Factory enables businesses to drive innovation and competitiveness through AI. Use cases. 1. Data analytics. Dell AI Factory can be used for data analytics, machine learning, and deep learning applications. 2. Predictive maintenance. Businesses can use Dell AI Factory to predict equipment failures and improve maintenance. 3. Customer insights. Dell AI Factory can help businesses gain valuable insights into customer behavior. How can Dell AI Factory help other businesses? Dell's AI Factory is designed for both Dell's own use and for others to use. It's a comprehensive suite of AI solutions and services offered by Dell Technologies to help businesses accelerate their AI adoption and deployment. The AI Factory is built on Dell's infrastructure, software, and services, integrated with NVIDIA's advanced AI infrastructure and software suite. Key features. AI infrastructure. Dell provides robust infrastructure solutions, including servers, storage, and networking, optimized for AI workloads. AI software. Dell offers a range of AI software solutions, including data analytics, machine learning, and deep learning tools. AI services. Dell provides consulting, deployment, and support services to help businesses implement and manage AI solutions. Target audience. Businesses of all sizes, various industries, including healthcare, finance, education, and more. Benefits. Accelerated AI adoption, improved efficiency, enhanced innovation, flexibility, and choice with multiple ecosystem partners, including NVIDIA, Intel, and AMD. Growing your business with Dell's AI. Dell's AI solutions can help businesses grow by improving efficiency. 1. Automating processes. Automate repetitive tasks, freeing up resources for strategic initiatives. 2. Optimizing operations. use AI-powered analytics to optimize business processes and supply chains. Enhancing customer experience. 1. Personalization. Use AI-driven insights to personalize customer interactions and improve engagement. 2. Predictive customer service. Anticipate customer needs and provide proactive support. Driving innovation. 1. Data-driven decision-making. Leverage AI-powered analytics to inform business decisions. 2. New product development. Use AI to identify market opportunities and develop innovative products. Dell's AI solutions. 1. Dell AI Factory, a comprehensive suite of AI solutions and services. 2. Dell EMC PowerScale, AI optimized storage solutions. 3. Dell Technologies Consulting, expert consulting services for AI strategy and implementation. Industries that can benefit. 1. Healthcare, improve patient outcomes and operational efficiency. 2. Finance, enhance risk management, fraud detection, and customer experience. 3. Manufacturing, optimize production processes and predict maintenance needs. By leveraging Dell's AI solutions, businesses can drive growth, improve efficiency, and stay competitive in their respective markets. Potential downsides of Dell AI Factory. While the Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA offers several benefits, there are also potential downsides to consider. 1. Cost. Implementing and maintaining the Dell AI Factory can be expensive, especially for small to medium-sized businesses. 2. Complexity. Integrating AI solutions can be complex, requiring significant expertise and resources. 3. Data security risks. Storing and processing large amounts of data increases the risk of data breaches and cybersecurity threats. 4. Vendor lock-in. Dependence on Dell and NVIDIA technologies might limit flexibility and make it difficult to switch to alternative solutions. 5. AI bias and ethics. AI models can perpetuate biases and raise ethical concerns if not properly designed and monitored. 6. Resource-intensive. AI workloads can be resource-intensive, requiring significant computational power and energy consumption. 7. Skill gap. Effective use of the Dell AI Factory may require specialized skills and expertise, potentially creating a skill gap. 8. Dependence on NVIDIA hardware. The solution's performance is heavily dependent on NVIDIA hardware, which might limit compatibility with other hardware options. Conclusion. The Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA offers a robust solution for businesses seeking to harness the power of AI, providing accelerated adoption, optimized infrastructure, and managed services. However, it's crucial to weigh these benefits against potential drawbacks, including high costs, complexity, data security risks, and vendor lock-in. By carefully considering these factors, businesses can make informed decisions and maximize the value of their AI investments. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.